Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert pie chart in Excel with percentages. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to insert the pie chart with percentage. At first, select some data, click and drag on your mouse. Then we go to the insert menu. Now I am select the recommended chart drop down menu and go to the all chart option. Now I am select the pie option. Now I am select any pie chart. You can add the 3D pie or the normal pie. Now I am select the normal pie and click OK. Select the chart. Go to the chart design menu. Now I am click the drop down menu. We can see the chart. There are many style. You can add the percentage. Select the percentages style. Now I am select this style. Otherwise you can rename the chart. Click inside the chart title box and rename the chart. Now we can see we insert pie chart with percentage very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.